Welcome to your Do Now. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to see today how to start to input formulas into Excel. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to merge all of these jelly beans so that they are merged and centered in the center of our data. We have 844 total jelly beans. We can see that there's a breakdown by color and number of jelly beans in the bowl. We're going to come down here to total, and what we're going to do is we're going to press our equal sign, which allows us to access our functions. Since we want to add up all of these numbers to find our total, we're going to start to press sum. So we're going to write SUM, and we see here that sum comes up. Okay, so we're going to click on sum. Now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of the numbers that we want to add. So I'm going to click here and drag down from D4 to D8. Once I have those numbers entered, I'm going to just press enter, and it tells me my total, which is again 844. Over here in the percent column, I want to be able to find the percentage of each total. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this whole column to percentage. So I'm going to highlight these 5 cells from E4 to E8. I'm going to come up here and make sure that they are on percentage. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to press the equal sign, because we want to take each number of jelly beans and divide it by our total. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the cell. Our first cell is 100 red jelly beans. We're going to divide that by our total. Okay, now what we can do, we want to anchor this total because each time that we use it, we want to divide it by this total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the formula function bar, and I'm going to put in dollar signs in between the B and the 4. After I do that, I can press enter, and here comes my percentage. So the percentage of red jelly beans in this bowl is about 12%. If I want to apply this formula now for the rest of my jelly beans, all I have to do is come to the corner of the box, click it, and drag it down for the next 4 different colors. That's going to apply the formula each time for the individual cell. If I want to find the total of all of this percentage, which should be 100, I can hit equals sum again, and I'm going to click on the cells that I want to add up. After I highlight those, I hit enter, and there is my percentage. You have now finished the Do Now.